Merry Christmas! It's time for Christmas parties and appetizers and cocktails and people sometimes dropping in unexpectedly. Of course, if they have a gift, that's a good thing. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple appetizer that you can make with things that you have on hand. I'm talking 5 ingredients. Stay tuned. This recipe for bacon and cheese appetizer cups is very simple, very few ingredients. I'm starting with some shredded Colby Jack cheese. I'm going to add a cup of mayonnaise. This is one of the few times actually that I'll say don't use Miracle Whip, use real mayonnaise. And then I have a can of Rotel tomatoes, which are tomatoes and green chilies. They're a little spicy. You want to drain them pretty well. I'm going to add that in. A cup of chopped bacon. This is real bacon. You can buy the bacon bit stuff. They have real bacon bits in the grocery store now. Save yourself the trouble. And that is all. I'm just going to mix these together. And this will be the filling for our little appetizers. Move this out of the way. So I have a baking sheet, and I'm just going to spray it with a little cooking spray. My oven is preheating, 350 degrees, and I'm using these little phyllo cups that you can find in the frozen section of your grocery store. And all I'm going to do is put some of the mixture in each one of the cups. I'm going to fill all of these and let them bake for probably 20 minutes or so. The sauce is going to make the outside of the phyllo get a little soft, and we want them to be really crispy. So I'm going to make these, pop them in my oven, and I'll be right back. The appetizers are out of the oven and they're hot. Cheese is all melted and they smell really, really good. I like to garnish them with a little bit of dill pickle relish. You can just get dill pickle cubes and drain them a bit. Let's put a few on top. It gives a kind of a bacon cheeseburger taste to me. You don't have to put the pickles on top if you're not a pickle fan, but during Christmas it's always kind of nice to have a little bit of red and green. So I've garnished the tops of all of the little appetizers, and now I'm just going to put them on a cake stand. And they are hot. So warn your guests, if you're going to pass them, like as soon as you make them, not to take too big of a bite, because that mayonnaise gets really, really hot, that and the combination with the cheese. But on the good side, these will stay warm on your table for a good while, and that's always a plus. Nobody wants a cold canapé. Alright, I'm going to brave it. These are hot though. All I need is a glass of wine. These are delicious. They were really simple. I hope you'll enjoy them. Merry Christmas. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbycovington.com.